Hi guys, this is Hiro. Today I have questions. I want to ask you something about PC, Apple, and the MacBook M4 chip. It's the latest one, isn't it? The spec should be okay, but today I really want to ask you about pricing. Is the retail price is $999. That's okay. But one day I stopped by Microcenter, and it's the March 29th, the exact date, March 29th. I stopped by Microcenter, and the price was $849. Wow! Surprisingly, it is a brand new laptop, but it's instant saving $150. Wow! And then I need to check the spec wise and someone's review and before purchasing it, because I'm heavy Windows user. I never use the Mac PC. And then back to the home, in Google, the lots of read and lots of review, and then I decided, okay, I should go back and Micro Center tomorrow, and I should buy. And then back to Micro Center next day. It's a Sunday. Then what's the price? It's $899. It's $50 is rising just only one day. What? The promotion period to March 31st. The Sunday was March 30. They changed the price in promotion term. So I asked the salesperson, hey, did you change the price tag? He said, yes. What? This is promotion till March 31st, the end of March. But he said, yes. And why did you change the price? I don't know. I didn't. No. I don't blame you. But what happened? He said, yeah, I know. It's so weird, but the company changed, And he said, we changed the price in one day. And tomorrow, price rise again, $50. And the final price is $949. What? Still in sales term, but the change the price. What the? So confused. And back to the home, of course, it is still big saving, just $100 discount from list price. But I don't like the business stance of the company, because they change the price in promotion term. Why? And then back to the home, and check the other website, and actually their Micro Center website and price change. And also go to the Best Buy website, bestbuy.com, and their price is $949. And they checked Amazon the $949. Maybe $949 is a fair price, maybe, because did this a couple months ago, just very brand new. But so you guys, do you know what this story is? Is a Micro Center change the price every day? Is rising $849, $899, $949, and back to the resale price $999. It's so weird. It is normal. If you face the same story, same situation, just please leave a comment and let me know what happened. In that case, what should I do? Or do I contact the manager side, management people, and negotiate the price? But the salesperson on the floor said, no, this is a company decision. And then I have a picture, I have evidence. I'm gonna show you like this. But yes, I just took a picture and sent a friend, hey, see this. This is $849. It's amazing. But next day, $899. I don't know what that. So anyhow, I just wanted to talk to you, someone, and I wanted to share, and maybe talking to myself, and no complaint anyhow. Just so I wanted to ask some. Thank you for watching. So next time I will try to showing how to play guitar, or what kind of product review and guitar or gears, something like that. If you have any comment, any questions, or any request to me, just leave a comment. I will try to do something. Thanks so much. Bye bye.